Money at Work Continuing Financial Education Series brought to you by Millionaire Mindset Life. Today's episode centers all around the challenges of do-it-yourself investing and why many people end up failing going down this route. So investing, as we all know, can be a great path to building wealth and securing a strong financial future. With the rise of online trading platforms as well as easy access to investment information, more and more individuals are venturing into the world of do-it-yourself investing. However, what we need to understand is it's essential to recognize that successful investing requires knowledge, discipline, and a strategic as well as a disciplined approach. Unfortunately, many people are going to encounter difficulties and many even will fail at their do-it-yourself endeavors. Here are the challenges that do-it-yourself investing has, as well as common reasons why many people struggle and end up failing as a do-it-yourself investor. Knowledge gap and lack of experience. Both of these are important. One of the primary reasons individuals may struggle with do-it-yourself investing is the lack of adequate knowledge and experience. Investing involves understanding financial markets, investment vehicles, risk management, and more. Without a solid foundation in these areas, individuals make uninformed decisions, increasing the risk of losses. It's crucial to invest time in self-education and seek guidance from reputable sources to bridge this knowledge gap. The emotionally driven decision-making process that most do-it-yourself investors fall into. Emotions often play a detrimental role in investing. Fear and greed can lead individuals to make impulsive emotional decisions that go against national and rational judgment. Emotional investing can result in buying stocks at their peak out of fear of missing out, or selling investments during a market downturn due to panic. Successful investors recognize the importance of keeping emotions in check and making decisions based on careful analysis and long-term perspective. This is about making data-driven decisions over emotional ones. Time and work constraints. Investing requires time, effort, and dedication. Monitoring the financial markets, researching potential investments, or staying updated on market trends demands a significant commitment. Many individuals already lead busy professional and personal lives, and they may not have the resources or inclination to devote the substantial time to their investment activities. As a result of this, they may not stay adequately informed or fail to capitalize on opportunities as they present themselves. Overconfidence and lack of diversification. Overconfidence can be detrimental to investing success. Some individuals may believe they possess superior knowledge or skills, leading them to take unnecessary risk or concentrate their investments in a single asset or single sector. The lack of diversification amplifies the potential impact of poor performing investments, increasing the likelihood of substantial losses. Recognizing the value of diversification and remaining humble in the investment decisions that you make is key to managing risk effectively. Short-term focus and lack of planning. Investing is a long-term endeavor, and success often lies in adopting a patient and strategic approach. Unfortunately, many individuals prioritize short-term gains or a lack of comprehensive investment plan. This short-sightedness can lead to reactionary decision-making, resulting in missed opportunities or investments that do not align with their long-term financial goals. Setting clear objectives, developing a well-defined investment plan, and maintaining a focus on the bigger picture are essential for successful investing. Complexity of the financial markets. Financial markets can be intricate and challenging to navigate, especially for individuals without a financial background. The myriad of investment options, complex financial instruments, and ever-changing market conditions can be overwhelming. Without a solid understanding, individuals may fall prey to scams, they may make poor purchase or investment choices, they may fail to make adequate or available opportunities, be able to see those. Seeking professional advice or dedicating time to self-education can help individuals gain the necessary knowledge to make informed investment decisions, which also will gain them the experience. So what is the conclusion of all this? Well, do-it-yourself investing can be a rewarding journey, but it comes with its own set of challenges. The reasons why many individuals struggle or fail when investing on their own often stem from a lack of knowledge, emotional decision making, time constraints, overconfidence, short-term focus, and the complexity of the financial markets. By acknowledging these hurdles and proactively addressing them through education, discipline, and careful planning, individuals can increase the chances and the likelihood of achieving investment success. Remember, seeking professional guidance and continuously learning about investment strategies can provide valuable insights and support along the way. Remember, investing always involves risk and there are no guarantees of return. Each individual's financial situation and goals are unique, so it's essential to assess personal circumstances and seek professional advice before making any investment decisions. The information provided in this video is for educational purposes only, should not be considered financial advice. Always consult with a qualified professional investment before making investment decisions. Millionaire Mindset Life, stretch your thinking, create your vision, and achieve.